Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.1 question number 5. Let us solve question number 5. Question number 5 is classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Let us find question number 5. Question number 5 1. It is x square plus x. Here you see that the degree of this polynomial is 2. Highest power is x to the power 2. Therefore, the degree is 2. As the degree is 2, therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. Right? It is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic. It is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial as its degree is 2. As its degree is 2. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is x minus x cube. Here you see the highest power of x is 3. Therefore, it is a cubic polynomial as its degree is 3. Therefore, it is a cubic polynomial. It is a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial as its degree is 3. As its degree is 3. Now question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is y plus y square plus 4. Here you see the highest power of y is y square. That is the degree is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic. It is a quadratic polynomial. Is it a quadratic polynomial? As its degree is 2. As its degree is 2. Now question number 4. 1 plus x. 1 plus x. The degree of this polynomial is 1. The highest power of x is 1. Therefore, it is a linear polynomial. 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 It is a linear polynomial as its degree is 1. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 3t. 3t, or it can be written as 3t to the power 1. 3t to the power 1. It is also a linear polynomial as its degree is 1. It is a linear polynomial. It is a linear polynomial. It is a linear polynomial. It is a linear polynomial as its degree is 1. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is r square. Here you see the degree is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial It is a quadratic polynomial as its degree is 2. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is 7 x to the power cube. Here see the degree is 3. Therefore, it is a cubic polynomial. 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 Cubic polynomial as its degree is 3. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.